Hey everyone, welcome to Science Today. Today we are doing the experiment how to make a naked egg or the egg and vinegar experiment. So let's get started. It's going to be a fun one. It's going to take a couple days. So right now I'm going to do it and then we have to leave it overnight and see what happens tomorrow. So let's get to it. The first thing I want to talk about is the science experiment overview. Just basically tells you what to do during the experiment and how to do it and which steps to follow. So this is what I will be following throughout the entire experiment. So if you have the ingredients for this experiment, which I think a lot of people do, I have an egg, a jar, and vinegar. That's all we need. So if you have it, awesome. Maybe you can do it with us, or maybe watch me do it first and then maybe do it after. Whatever you guys want to do. So that I'm going to be following the scientific, the overview. And the next thing I gave you was the experiment itself, which was 3 pages. It just tells us what we need, what to do, and then what we should see after we do it. And then the last thing I did was the scientific method. So there's the steps of the scientific method that we adapted for you guys. It's observe, wonder, ask questions, discuss the materials needed, predict, plan and predict what is going to happen, experiment or explore, touch, feel, listen, taste if you can, and then check, review, and make reflections. So we are going to do the first 3 steps, and then tomorrow we'll finish the 3rd and the 4th step after. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do the first step of the scientific method, which is observe, wonder, ask questions, discuss the materials needed for the experiment. What do we need? We need vinegar. We need an egg. And we need a jar. And I did a jar with the lid just so if I make any spills, like I make sure that won't happen because I am known to make a mess. So, second step of the scientific method is predict. Plan and predict what is going to happen. What will it do? Will vinegar remove the eggshell or will nothing happen? So right now I want you to predict. Which one do you think is going to happen? Vinegar removes eggshell or do you think nothing would happen? So you do that and we will get started with explore, which is actually to do the experiment. Experiment, touch, feel, look, listen, and taste. Look, listen, taste, feel, and smell. I would not taste this because eggs are just not good. They can have salmonella, which can make you sick if you taste it. So just don't do that. So let's look at the experiment itself. All right, it says what we need. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure. I'm going to open the jar. I'm going to add vinegar to the jar. So fill the glass jar with vinegar. Okay. I put a lot in there. I want to make sure that the egg will actually be covered. So you gently put the egg in. See, now we have to wait to see what happens. So I'm going to put this top back on it. It doesn't say to put it back on, but I'm going to. But you can already see something's happening to the eggshell already. Can you see that? It's like bubbling. So we will see what happens tomorrow because now it says that after 12 hours, that's when we'll notice something. And then after 2 days, we will take the egg out of the vinegar and see what happens. So that's what we're going to do. We have to wait. So now we have to just wait. Make sure you hold on to the check page because we will definitely see what happens in a couple days. So we shall wait. You guys stay tuned, and I will see you in about 12 hours to 16, 18 hours, and we'll see what happens. Okay? All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.